Hello, and welcome to the Applanga tutorial on manually uploading and editing screenshots on Applanga. We'll cover how to upload screenshots to Applanga, how to assign strings to a screenshot, editing a screen on Applanga, replacing a screenshot or uploading a new variant of a screenshot, and deleting screenshots from Applanga. Let's get started. To upload a new screenshot to Applanga, let's navigate to the Screens list and add a new screen. From here, you can drag and drop or open the file browser to select the screenshot for upload. Once we have the right screenshot selected, set the screen's tag name. Tags are used to group and assign strings to a screenshot. The more descriptive, the better. After tagging, select the language of the screenshot. Next is the Assigned Strings section. This is where you set which strings are on a given screen. There are a couple of options for assigning strings to screens. 1. Search for the string ID or the text here and assign the string. This is the simplest option. However, we miss the string's position on the screen, which leads us to option 2. 2. Define a string position, then tag the string to the screen. Define the text area by clicking and dragging, then search for the ID or the string text. After selecting the corresponding string, it appears in the list with a check mark. 3. There's also the option to auto-assign strings to a screen. Auto-assign uses OCR, or optical character recognition, to try and assign strings to screens. Any string auto-assigned to a screen is marked with a question mark. When you start auto-assigning, any string that currently has a question mark will be removed from the screen. Next, confirm the language on the screenshot and accept the terms to proceed. Once the auto-assign process is complete, review the assigned strings for accuracy. Again, these are designated with a question mark. If the assignment is accurate, just click the question mark to confirm the assignment and remove the question mark. Before saving the screen, take a quick peek at the Details tab. Here you have the option to list the version of the app, the device where the screenshot was taken, the operating system, and assign a tag category. From here, there's also the option to upload another screen by checking the checkbox. But let's just upload this one. Now that you know how to upload a screenshot, let's go over editing an existing screenshot. There are two ways to open the editor. You can open the Screens list and click the pencil icon, or click Edit Variant on the side menu when the In Context view is open. You can edit the screenshot tag name, assign a new string, edit the existing string assignments, or replace a screenshot. Do note, if you replace a screenshot, it will remove the string position. However, the correct strings will still be assigned to the screen. If there are changes to the UI, screenshots from different operating systems, or other differences between screens, you also have the option to upload a screenshot variant. Simply navigate to the screen and click Upload Variant. Once you've added the screenshot file, you can proceed with updating the screenshot details and making any necessary changes to string assignments. To view other variants, just click Variants on the side menu, then use the carets to switch between each one. If you have deprecated screens that no longer exist in your app, you can delete the screenshot from Applanga. This will help keep your project organized and up to date. To delete the screenshots, open the Screens list, then click the trash can icon. When deleting screens, you can delete just the screenshot and keep the tag, or you can delete both the screenshot and the tag. If you keep the tag while deleting, you'll find the tag in the Tags list instead of the Screens list. And that covers the basics of manually managing screenshots on Applanga. You can always learn more on our website under Documentation. If you get stuck or have questions, please use the website support chat or email us at support@applanga.com. Thanks for watching!